you can see on the screen right now, one place, many ways to earn. Turn your spare time into crypto earnings. Play games, take surveys, and complete other simple micro tasks to get paid with JMPT. So with this website, all you need to do is to do some simple micro tasks and get paid in cryptocurrency for yourself. So right now, I'm gonna go over to show you how this website works and how you can get started with this website. But before I go over now to show you that, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Sam, and on this channel, I am passionate about helping you on the internet space by showing you several ways to make money online. So if this is what interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. So getting started with this website, all you need to do is to come over to this blue button that is talking about start earning right now. All you need to do is to tap on it. So once you tap on it, you will be taken to another interface where you need to create an account for yourself on this platform. So this is how the interface is gonna look like. So all you need to do right now is to click on the sign up button at the top right corner, as you can see on the screen right now. So once you tap on that, another interface is gonna load up for you where you need to choose how you want to create your account. So as you can see on the screen right now, you can create account with Google, you can sign up with Facebook, and you can sign up with Apple. And also you can connect your cryptocurrency wallet directly to create an account for yourself. So you choose any one that you mostly like and you want to use right now. Now once you create an account for yourself, this is how your interface is gonna look like. So all you need to do right now is to start earning for yourself. Now to start earning on this platform, all you need to do is to scroll downward and locate where you can basically start doing some micro tasks and earn money for yourself. Now as you can see on the screen, social media tasks. So this social media tasks, you just have to scroll to the left part and locate and look for the one you can basically perform for yourself. So this first one right now is paying you 0.009 JMPT. So once you scroll to the left part, you are going to be seeing some other tasks that you can basically perform and earn for yourself also. And as you can see on the screen right now, there is also the watch and earn button on this website where you get to watch videos as you are doing right now and earn money for yourself. So scroll to the left part and you are going to see many videos you can basically watch for yourself. And also you can click on the view all button to actually see all the video you can basically watch for yourself on this part. On this part is the survey option. So there are companies that are in partnership with this website where you can basically take surveys and earn for yourself. So come over to these three dashes at the top left corner of your home screen right now and let's see the leaderboard there. Let's see how much people are making on this website right now. Okay. Now as you can see on the screen right now, this is a user right now. This user is making 112 JMPT, which is equivalent to $122. Another user is making 79 JMPT. Another user is making 74, 62, 60, 47 JMPT, 30, 38, 41, 37, 37, and so on and so forth like that. So once we keep scrolling, we basically see how much people are making on this website. All you need to do to start making this kind of money on this platform is to start doing the task with patience, watching the videos and doing the social media tasks. And also there are also some tasks on this platform that even pay more higher than the ones I've showed you earlier. So jump on those ones also and do them and earn for yourself. And also there are companies and websites also that are in partnership with this website, and you can also jump on the partners and leverage on them to make more money for yourself. So the name of the website is jumptask.io. The link to it is gonna be in the description section of this video. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the very end, and if you find this video helpful, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is gonna notify you instantly. Thanks once again. Bye for me, guys.